Perfect. Perfect.
Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So today I decided to do a wash day using a YouTuber's favorite products because I wanted to have a good wash day, but I wanted to use new products at the same time. So I decided why not use YouTuber's favorites, because if it's a YouTuber's favorite, it has that little extra oomph to make it a favorite. And we're going to start with my favorite YouTuber, me. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and definitely like this video. So I'm going to rinse out my favorite pre-poo, which is the African Pride pre-poo. If you are new here, yes, that is a fave. It is bae, and if you have not tried it, you need to. So first up is a fave by my girl, All Things Moelle. This is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Wash. Now y'all, this was the hardest category. If a shampoo impresses us, it's gotta be good. So I had to give this a try, and I was definitely excited about it. It definitely smells like blueberry, like the regular Curls Blueberry Bliss line. And I was kind of skeptical at first because the other products from the Blueberry Bliss line were just okay. So I was like, what is this shampoo really gonna give? It gave, y'all. It gave moisture. It gave hella lather. Like, this was just a really good shampoo. It had that nice silky smooth type of texture, so you could tell it was aloe vera in it, and it was just really nice shampoo. I really enjoyed this. Now, this is the first shampoo that I've ever seen, though, that says apply it to your scalp, then rinse, and then apply it to your hair. In each section, comb through and leave on for 10 minutes. I've never seen that in a shampoo before, and of course I didn't do it, girl. But I didn't need to. The shampoo did what it was supposed to do, and it really felt good. So this is what my hair looks like after rinsing out the shampoo, and y'all, she wasn't lying. From application to rinse out, this was a really enjoyable shampoo. My hair was soft, definitely clean, and I was like, okay, Mo, I see you, girl. You definitely gave me a good one. And let's go in with our next product, which is our protein treatment by Botanika or Botanika. I'm not really sure how you say it, but shout out to my girl NJ, because she is the one that's been putting us all on to this protein treatment. Now, we all have been trying to find something that is as good as F.O.G., but not as messy and as stinky. And y'all, I think we found it. The application of this was just great. It was like me putting on a serum or something like that in my hair in the shower. It smoothed through my hair well, and I could just feel my curls starting to just clump together and really feel more strengthened as I was putting it on, but not dry. It wasn't a mess. Like, this was a really nice protein treatment. It does say leave it on for 15 minutes. I did put it on all through my hair, put on a plastic bag, and did, you know, some lady maintenance and all of that. But y'all, this is a go-to product. You can find it at Target. Y'all know I use a lot of product, but I need my hair to be coated, and it just is what it is, y'all. This right here, I was like, F.O.G. who? Why would I need that? I don't. This is the new thing. This is it. Thanks, NJ, because this is it, girl. Now I'm going in with the Oyin Ginger Mint Co-Wash, which is a fave by my girl Sheree Del Sol. She has been telling us to try this for so long. My bad, y'all. Y'all didn't get to see my hair rinsed out from the protein treatment, but please know it was fire. My camera cut off, so I was already in the middle of this co-wash, and y'all, this co-wash is bomb. It's called the Ginger Mint Co-Wash for a reason. You get the ginger and you get the mint. The minty tingle on the scalp. That feeling. I love it. Like, it felt like this could have been a deep conditioner, and I could have just left it on my hair because my scalp just felt so good. It was nice and creamy, like, and it just smoothed through my hair, and it was just a really, really good freaking co-wash. And I'm like, dang, I need the big one. I can't just keep the small one. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I used probably about half of it for this application, so you definitely need the big one. Trust me, it's worth it. This is so good. It felt good. The smell, it's the smell. It just opens your whole nose and everything, and the way your scalp tingles, y'all gotta try this. So this is what my hair looks like after the co-wash, y'all. My hair was soft, curls was popping. Like, this co-wash came through, delivered with the smell, the tingling feeling, the moisture, everything it needed to give. So I was so happy. Thanks, Sheree. I loved it. So now we're going to go in with this almond milk ultra nourishing hair mask by Carol's Daughter, and this comes from none other than our girl Tresses of Alexis. I had to give this a try because she's been raving about it for a while, and y'all, the smell of this, I don't know if it's because I got a one that came from TJ Maxx. You know, people be trying to say them is expired products. Well, if they is, honey, the smell was not expired on this, honey. It smells so good, y'all. Like, I was like, I need this in the form of a body butter. Like, why does this smell so good? It has slip. It just went on like so moisturizing, which is what I was gonna need after a protein treatment anyway, so that's why I chose this. But Alexis, girl, you told us, but I still ain't know. I didn't know that you wasn't lying, girl. This is a bomb deep conditioner. Like, as far as the application goes, it just went on my hair so smoothly. And like the other Carol's Daughter deep conditioner that I use, it's buttery, so it kind of weighed my curls down, and it just felt like it was going to be moisturizing. So let's put this all through my hair and let's see how my curls is looking at the end of this, because that is the telltale truth. Okay, so I left my hot head on for about 30 minutes or so, and I'm ready to show you guys what my hair is looking like. I'm hoping and praying it looked as good as it felt and it smelled. Ooh, honey, you see them curls? You see that definition? See, that's what I'm talking about. And even though I used a protein treatment, a pretty strong protein treatment, that deep conditioner still came through with the moisture. You can look at my hair and you can see the difference from last wash day. I had a great wash day till that deep conditioner came, and I was like, ooh. But this is what my hair is supposed to look like, feel like, even after I use a good protein treatment. So I am impressed. I still have a whole use left with that deep conditioner. So today was just a bomb wash day from beginning to end. And I should have known, because my YouTuber girls know that it is hard for us to find products that we actually really love. So thank you to all 4 of those ladies for putting me on to those products. I will absolutely continue to use all of them and repurchase. Thank you so much. They're affordable. They were just all bomb. Like, girls, my hair is so soft. Chef's kiss to this wash day, y'all. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.